Hey guys, welcome back to your review. We will now be going on to numbers 12 and 13. So these ones I can only tell you is, to be brutally honest, make sure you know how to do these problems, okay? So find the value of the variable, then find the angle measures of the polygon. You have two things you must do to get credit. You have to find the value of the variable, in other words, solve for x, and then you're going to have to find the measure of the angle of each polygon. So first we're going to have to find x. That's what this means, find x. Find the value of x in case anyone's going to be smart and go, there it is. Find the value of x. And I don't know why this thing does this. Sorry, that took a second. I apologize. I was about to restart. You can see I was getting frustrated. I've had a lot of ones I've had to cut off. So first you find the value of x. Then you take it and you plug it back into each angle to find the value of each angle. So let's just get ahead going and start doing it. The sum of an angle measures 360 degrees. So when I look in this, the sum of the angles, that means this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle. So I have the first angle, which is 2x plus 5, plus the next angle, which is 3x, plus the third angle, which is 2x plus 10, plus the fourth angle, which is 2x minus 15, all must add up to 360. Okay, let me move this up because I see my screen get in the middle. Okay, so now we're set up to solve for x. All we did was use this concept and set up an equation. We're going to go through our rules. Is there any distribution? Nope, there's no parentheses. Is there any like terms? Yep, a bunch. There's some x's, there's some x's, there's some x's, and there's some x's. So 2x's plus 3x's plus 2x's plus 2x's. That adds up to our 9x's. And then we've used all those. So now I have 5 and 10 minus 15. 5 plus 10 is 15, minus 15 is 0. Okay, the reason I didn't write anything here is because the 5 plus 10 plus 15, they basically, you can think of them, they cancel out. This won't happen every time. There's going to be times when you have a number here, but in this case, we don't. Now we're left with 9x equals 360. Our variables on one side, there's nothing else to get rid of over here. Steps 2 and 3 are done. Final step, divide each side by 9. X would equal 40. Now that I know what x is, I can take this and plug it back into each angle. So for angle 1, it would be 2 times 40 plus 5. Because it was 2x plus 5. 2 times 40 is 80 plus 5. So we know the measure of angle 1 has to equal 85 degrees. I don't know why I wrote a 1 there. I apologize. And my camera's freaking out again. So you know that one has to be 85. Angle 2 is 3 times 40. Come on. I see why people break controllers in Madden now. So that's 120 degrees. Angle 3 will be 2 times 40 plus 10. 2 times 40 is 80 plus 10 is 90. And then you have 2x minus 15, so it'd be 2 times 40 minus 15. 2 times 40 is 80, minus 15 is 65. So this one would have been 90, this one would have been 65. And now we found the measure of every angle. So we indeed found x, and then we found the measure of each angle. So remember, you know what the sum is going to be. That's going to be adding up all the angles, and you set it equal to whatever it tells you. Then you just solve the equation by combining like terms and solving all the steps like we do all the other times.